The primary goal of Freund weighing systems is to save you time and money. For over 25 years, Freund weighing systems have proven their worth worldwide, even in the toughest of operating conditions. Over 15,000 Freund scales are currently employed universally, from mining in quarries, sand pits and gravel pits, to moving construction material, handling recycling and in waste disposal. On-site weight determination saves you time and money and improves your operational efficiency. Your vehicle is used to its optimal capacity and you avoid detours to stationary scales or multiple trips for reloading or discharging. Identification of the handled weight means that your customers will have confidence in you and the data you generate for billing. The BGW1 can be fitted on all excavators with free-swinging load attachments, such as 2 or multi-tine grapples and magnets. Optimal performance is guaranteed irrespective of whether it's used in mining, for waste disposal or recycling purposes. Here we sort waste and bulky waste. Mattresses, carpet and iron are sorted out. The rest goes through the sorting system and finally to the thermal power stations via container. To properly load the containers, we use the excavator scales, so the containers can be fully loaded with 8 to 8.5 tons, depending on the design. The scales make work easier because the truck no longer needs to go to the weigh bridge for intermediate weighing and then back to load or unload. Loading goes quickly. You pull up the grappler and press a button to trigger the weighing while the load is swinging. The scales operate so quickly you don't even notice them. The scales are definitely advantageous. They're better for the workflow and for the truck drivers who no longer have to come back just because of 500 or 50 kilograms too much. The scales are reliable. They've been working for 4 years already and nothing has happened yet. The Freund excavator scale is tough and durable. The compact round shape of the measuring elements with a low overall height allows for unlimited freedom of movement of the grab. The integrated attenuation and the practical layout of the hinges guarantee optimal accuracy. The system is free from disturbances, even under the roughest conditions, and is precise in use. The BGW1 is calibratable and can produce documentation of the measured weights using an optional printer. Additional data, such as materials, customers and vehicles, can be stored, printed and transferred to a PC if requested. You can activate the weighing using a free switch on the joystick, the optional foot switch, or using the keypad on the electronics. Intelligent filtering routines in the weighing program ensure efficient weighing. Only minimal adjustment is therefore necessary before the machine operator is ready to weigh the materials. Any delay to the loading process is barely noticeable. Determine transport weights on the spot using Freund excavator scales. You can determine the exact quantity immediately, eliminate the risk of overloading, waste no valuable space and save yourself additional trips to stationary vehicle scales. You no longer lose material during weighing and operational efficiency is optimized. Furthermore, the approval scale in the excavator make expensive stationary vehicle, container or carriage scales entirely redundant. Freund scales provide optimal flexibility for exact material quantities and optimal capacity usage wherever you use your excavator. Increase your efficiency and profit with a mobile weighing system. Simply let us know your requirements. We'll be happy to advise you. Call us or refer to the contact page on our homepage to find your personal contact.